Hi, I'm Lorelei. I'm one of the designers here at Arjay's Window Fashions, and I'm here to share a little bit about what my client actually chose for her beautiful condo, which is just steps from the beach. As you can see, these are shutters. They're a beautiful foundation to the windows, and they act as a great efficiency with heat and cold, and gives you a tremendous amount of flexibility to manipulate the light and the glare to preserve the ocean view while maybe taking out the cars out in the streets and other residential properties that you want to eliminate. These shutters are not real wood. It would not be maybe in the best interest when we're just steps away from the beach. They are another product. They are polymer resin. They're 40% heavier than real wood. They're very durable, and they won't warp, chip, peel, and yellow. The shutters themselves are very low maintenance. They have a beautiful piano-like finish to them, so dusting is very simple and easy. Right here we opted without the rods, so it gives us optimizing the view of the outside and less busyness into the window, so you have this beautiful clean glass. Thank you so much. If you have any other questions regarding shutters or draperies, blinds, automation, you can go to our website or you can call us. We're there for you Monday to Friday, 9 to 5.